Number 15. Cholera infection can cause the following events. Which sequence of events will cause diarrhea? So, when we talk about cholera, we have to talk about this bacteria. And the bacteria's name is called, name is called Vibrio cholerae. But you guys don't have to know the name of this bacteria because it's not actually included in the syllabus. So you guys can just ignore it. And when the Vibrio cholerae, when these bacteria are present in the small intestine, they secrete toxins. And these toxins, they interfere with chloride ion channels within small intestine. It causes those chloride ions to move out. Actually, let's say move in. They get released into the lumen of the small intestine. So this space within the small intestine is called lumen, or any tube space is called lumen. So when chloride ions go into the lumen, now the water potential becomes decreased because there are a lot of salts, a lot of chloride ions. So water potential becomes decreased, and then it causes the water molecules inside the small intestine to go into the lumen by osmosis, because relatively it has higher water potential than the lumen. So now there's full of water molecule as well as chloride ions, and these guys all just get out of the body through rectum, and that's called diarrhea. So the answer must have cholera bacteria producing toxin first, so it's either B or D. And then the toxin causes the chloride ions to go into the small intestine. So number 1 is the correct answer. So the answer is B. But let's have a look at the others. So let's have a look at what happens after that. So causing chloride ions to go into the small intestine causes the movement of chloride ions to go into the small intestine, and then it's going to lower the water potential, and then that causes the movement of water, which is called the osmosis. So it's 2, 1, and then 3, and then 5, 4. Yes, the correct answer is indeed B. All good?